autoimmune. They call it the great imitator, and in that way we know each other. You think I can't fill in the gaps of someone's personality? You think I won't mirror, repeat, rinse and reset my traits and blend my life into an unnoticeable one? Please. I wake up with my own teeth marks on my ankle. I wake up with a full moon in my skull. I sit on the edge of my bed until the medication works, cells attacking cells, my immune system forgetting what is foreign. At the clinic, the doctor squints at my blood work, a Rorschach test in the shape of my mother. There are gaps and spikes of too much and too little. He taps the hollow of my back, ringing my kidneys like a tuning fork. Look at this animal skulking in and out of the corners, gnawing on the marrow of my bone, enjoying the delicacy, course after course. I am my own parasite, thumbing up the last crumb. Look at the ways I have learned how to be worn down to dust. The invisible howling of vertigo stretching my days into a milky fog, stretching my mind back to the hibernating den, nose to tail, a whole pack of them set loose inside of me, yipping and gnashing, something wholly unnatural. Some days they're starving. Some days I stoke the flames. I tie myself to the spit. I am turning and turning, a tender meal. Eat, that's what I'm good for.